Hey guys, in this video I will give my review of a program through which you can easily get real followers on Instagram. This program is called as Upleap. You can explore this program in the description also. Upleap makes getting followers simple. Upleap automatically interacts with targeted Instagram users on your behalf. Grow your likes, followers, comments, and social exposure. Start your 10-day free trial in minutes by signing up and following a couple of very simple instructions. Start your 10-day free trial in minutes by signing up and following a couple of very simple instructions. Your account picks up real, organic followers faster that engage with your content. Upleap customers experience up to 300% faster growth on Instagram. Upleap only engage with real accounts based on your targeted audience. Build your Instagram brand. Upleap help you build your audience from the bottom up. Just identify hashtags, similar users, or the right locations, and we pick up followers that will engage with your Instagram profile. You can explore this program in the description also. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos like this.